Hari kiria kionekanire ta uhotani munene hari aria mahuranagira gituruo gia president githurano-ini kia mweri wa kanana, jaji wa igoti nene John Mativo nioigire uma wa kuhuranira gituruo giothe kia kiuteti uheanitwo ni gatiba. Jaji Mativo nioigire igoti karu riathire IEBC itafanie githurano kieru iteguthutukania aria mahuranire gituruo kia mutongoria wa bururi mweri wa kanana.
On the whole, I find no legal basis to justify the first and second respondents' decision to exclude the petitioner from contesting in the fresh elections. In view of my conclusions and above, I find that this petition has merits. Consequently, I find that the petitioner is entitled to the relief sought. Accordingly, I make the following orders, stroke declarations. 1, and declaration B, and is hereby issued that the petitioner's rights under Articles 38, 27, and 140, sub-Article 3 of the Constitution have been and continue to be infringed, violated, and or denied by the first and second respondents' failure to include him as a presidential candidate in the fresh election slated for 26 September 2017.
Itua ria igoti nene ni rigucokia bara nginyo mehaririria ma githurano maria marathie na mbere. Kuringana na IEBC, kabuni ya Algurea ni yambiriirie gucabithia maratathi makura na kabuni ya Otmofo ni yambiriirie kurora ringi mitambo ya server. Kumana na itua ria jaji Mativo riria riukite thiko 14 mbere ya gutafanio gwa githurano, riu IEBC ni gufatara kuongerera maritwa ma Ekuru Aukot, Abdul Badida, Jafeth Kaluyu na Profesa Michael Wainaina uria wandikire IEBC akimira itanya riake ria kunyita itemi githurano-ini. Ona kuri uguo mawakiri ya mwena wa Jubilee Tom Macharia na Ken Ogeto na aria IEBC ni moigite ni megucokia cira riko.
I am fairly certain, my lord, that given the public interest and the public importance of the decision, we will be able to get an expedited schedule for the hearing of that appeal.
Mwena-ini wake Ekuru Aukot ni agathiriirie itua ria igoti nene.
We thank the judge for pronouncing himself with finality on this matter. As you may recall, one of our pillars of Third Way Alliance is to protect and implement the Constitution, the devolution and the rule of law. So we stood firm with that, regardless whatever the circumstances are. And today, I think we've reaped the benefit of our belief in the Constitution.
Itua riri ria igoti nene riukite muthenya umwe tu thutha wa mutongoria wa NASA Raila Odinga kuyeheria nditimurano-ini ya githurano giki, ikinya riria rirehete githagathago tondu kuringana na mawatho ma ithurano, mundu wa kuyeheria kihitahitano-ini no muhaka ekire thairi fomu ya 24A, amikire thairi thiku 3 itathirite thutha wake guthurwo ni kiama arugame, acoke amicokie kuri maabitha IEBC akianirira kuyeheria gwake. Ihinda riri ni rihitukite kuringana na mawatho ma ithurano. Ona thutha wa itua ria jaji John Mativo ria gwitikiria Ekuru Aukot akanyita itemi githurano-ini gia tariki 26, nditimurano ya githurano kiu ndithirite thutha wa mawakiri a mwena wa IEBC na mwena wa Jubilee kuga ni megucokia cira riko. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma igoti-ini inene ria bururi, ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.